Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
What's good, YouTube? We gonna start this video over East Baltimore. I'm gonna just be cutting for y'all, just dragging in the city for real. Let me go ahead and open this. This feel real good outside. People looking at me like, fucking on his head. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. Go ahead, show the streets what this G talking about real quick. It's honey neither. See the junkies right there on the side for real. The music playing. I got the sideways. There you go. Hold on, so don't even go. Let this motherfucker straighten out. Should I make the right? Should I go straight? Should probably go make this right. Go ahead and drive. There's a G right there. Shit was kinda cool. Come on, why the motherfucker try to cut me off? Can't be behind you, baby. I like how the exhaust be smacking in between the buildings, so it's loud. It's like an echo. Ooh. I'm trying to cut in no space, y'all. It's a slingshot. Okay. He's driving with his son. Little pit bull. Oh, she nice. She nice. I like that coat. What's going on over here? I'm trying to cut.
Crack house, fuck around, call it the White House, but we don't do politics. We don't call glizzies no dogs. We're talking about dogs, put like 7 in them, call them matches. Swiping, no swiping, run off with your life. On Q, I'm a fool. Your life full of kids, hit a nigga, he ain't fight, he just said, hey, mo. Guess that nigga a hoe, brought him on Showtime.
Hey, boy. Some people outside today.
Still about to beat up the block if you broke up. Baltimore Dragons, we don't do no acting.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
The gun replace it just the way. Go on Instagram and check out
You better not pull out. That shit sound good in between the walls, man. I'm trying to cut though. Fuck is yo doing? Nah, you gonna wait, buddy. East 28 shit. That's a tough ass spot. Take a picture. I don't see the traffic, y'all. There's police coming. They got me in a thing. They recording me, bro. They got me. I'm gonna track this too. Y'all seen that shit? He got me for no front tag and shit. He gave me a motherfucking warning though. Luckily, because I was low-key cutting. That's crazy though. But he up there. I'm about to go ahead and bust a U V. Oh, he busting a U V. Nah, I can go ahead and just keep straight. Y'all, I saw him. Like, y'all seen it. I drove past him. That's the same officer. I think he just wanted to see who I was. He wanted to pull me over to see if he smelled something for real. Smell some odor. Because he pulled me over for no front tag. Come on now. Like, yeah, I drove past you, but still, you just wanted to see who I was for real. You wanted to see if you was going to find something in here. No. I'm smarter than that, buddy. But yeah, we good. Got off with a warning for the front tag. That was it. And yeah. And man, I'm about to head home, man. Oh, cap.